Yeah, hello guys, this is HumbleFx. Welcome back to HumbleFx family. Uh, Today we are going to be talking about very important stuff. All right, I hope you guys have been making money using my strategies and all that. So I want those that are already on this channel for a long time and all that. I appreciate your presence and all that. So guys, if I'm in this video, I'm not going to drop the strategy. This strategy is a new strategy I'm working on, trying to know to backtest it over and over and over. But that's what we do. We backtest strategies to see how effective before we bring it to the public. So anyone you see me drop right here is already proven and trusted. So it depends on you that are using this that know how it works for you. But you see, I'm trying to backtest this strategy. Already we have done this today. We have done this already today in the VIP room. Yes, in the VIP room we have done this already today. So if you want to join the VIP room, yeah, you can send me a message on a direct message on Telegram or on WhatsApp and join the VIP room. It's very affordable and will make some crazy amount of profits daily on that. We are done already. You could see the time. You could see the time right here. Here is Nigeria. Because my time is 4 a.m. and we are done already. We are done already trading. So you see how we do it. So throughout the day, we are just trying to just be taking maybe long swing trade, no more scalping. I will do it. So without much time wastage, I want to give you guys a reminder of our upcoming trading challenge that was starting on April 1st. Today is 29, so we have just a day left and we'll start our challenge on the 1st of April. So I don't know if you want to join this challenge. Challenge is just $20. We want to grow $20 within the remaining months of this year. About 7 or 8 months. I don't know, yeah. 7 or 8 months. We want to grow $20 to about $60,000 or something like that, and I believe we are going to make it happen. So even if we cannot grow it to 60, even if we reach $30,000 by the end of this year, I don't think that is a little uh, achievement. That is going to go a long way for many of us here in this family. So you might want to use this opportunity and join this trading challenge. All right, but I told you guys earlier that it is not free to join this trading challenge. This challenge is not free. If you want to join it, there is a price to pay. There is actually a price to pay to be amongst the members of this trading challenge. Already I've got some people interested and ready that have already joined the group. So we are waiting to start up, and once we get set, then nobody is going to be allowed to enter again. Because let me show you guys. Because someone is asking for how to join. Let me send the person a message right now. He wants to join the trading challenge. So let me send the person a message before I video continues and all that. All right, so this is how we do it here. All right, you see the VIP, we have done already some things today. See that this is the VIP room, and we have gotten some trade. You see how we are scalping all through. We are scalping the market like never before, and we are making a lot of profit. This is the VIP room. So if you want to join the VIP, it's very affordable. You can actually join it. And our trading challenge, we are already, at least I have this number of people here. So once we get started, once we set up, guys, we are going to blast, guys. So these people already joined the group and they are ready to take off. They are ready to take off with me by 25th, guys. So guys, if you want to join this challenge, it is a very important thing if you want to actually make a difference, okay? And this is an opportunity. If we are risking only $20 in this challenge, we are risking only for $20 in this challenge. So if you want to join the challenge, is up to you. You can check on the link on my profile on this video, the description. You will see my profile link on WhatsApp and on Telegram. You contact me directly and you see how we proceed. The challenge goes like this. For those that will ask me, what format does it take, how does it work, what is the format for the challenge? Now, first of all, the format for the challenge is this. We have the remaining months. We are starting from April. We have April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So at this point, we'll have about, is it 9 months left, right? Yeah, we have 9 months to work on, and we are not actually taking 9 months. We are going with 8 months. That means by November we should be done with this challenge if we are successful. And in this challenge, it's not like the one we had last time that every day has a higher target. No, this time around I had to work on it in a way that every month, each day or in a month has a specific target. Like in the month of April that we will start in, our month target, we target a month, and the month target is $300, or let me say $150 for the month of April. We'll have that target, and once we hit that target, the next month have a target. So we share this target in each day, that each day will have the same target every day, have the same target until the month ends. So the new months have a different target and all that. So if I show you the trading plan, if I show you the trading plan, how this work, you will see how it seems too easy to achieve, because your equity and the target we are looking for is very compatible, that we apply risk management. We actually apply risk management so that we don't aim higher than our equity. All right, so we're only looking for a percentage of our equity, which is one of the great features of a trader. All right, we don't want to make more than we have a percentage of the equity that we are looking for. That is what we are going to be doing here. So that is how simple we want it to be. Even though it's simple, it's not a guarantee that it's 100% achievable. But with God and with our knowledge we've got already, it's going to work out. And remember, this is a risk we are taking. So if you don't believe in risk, if you always want it easy, if you want everything easy for you, you don't want to join. You are not welcomed to join. Those that believe that risk pays, because you are risking your $20 to do this. And I believe you've been risking all this while. Since you started trading, you've been risking. So this time, this one is not a different one. So you have to risk on. You should also risk on this one also. Let's see where it leads us to. $20 is what you need to start up this challenge, and also the entry fee is there. So if you want to join, you check on this video description. You will see the link to my profile, and on my WhatsApp you can contact me and start over. Once we start this challenge by 1st of April, anyone coming in from that time, I will not be held responsible, because we might have gone a bit further than you. All right, so it's better you join better you follow us as we're starting it afresh, than to join when we already gone a month or weeks. All right, something like that. So it is your choice to make a difference. All right, so this is how it is. If you want me to drop the strategy, give me a comment on the comment section. Drop the strategy. Okay, if you want to drop it, drop the strategy on the comment section, and I will I will do a video on this strategy right here and show you guys how it works. Okay, just comment, drop the strategy, and I will drop it for you guys. All right, guys, the challenge is open right now, starting 1st of April, and equity to start off with is $20. Okay, and remember, it is not free. You have to pay a commitment fee, monthly fee. Okay, and we are going for the 8 months. Yeah, 7 to 8 months. By November we should be done with our challenge, or maybe December, something like that. So by the end of the year, we are going to do, if we are successful, then you see we are going to do something crazy. All right, guys, until then, I remain HumbleFx, and see you in the next video. And okay, yeah, in the next video, enjoy.